To create a dashboard in JADE, go to your home page and click on the plus icon on the left-hand side of your screen. You can create a new dashboard by adding your title here. To add different analytics to your dashboard, search for items to add to your dashboard. You can see a list of different pivot tables, charts, and maps that have been saved in the data visualization apps. I'm going to search for different analytics that I've created in the past. I'm going to search by my initials, PK. To add an analytic, just click on the plus add symbol. After you've added your analytics, you can resize them and move them whatever way you wish. You can just click and drag to resize it and drag and drop wherever you'd like. Here I'm going to make my pivot table wider and longer. If you'd like to remove any of the analytics, just click on the delete icon. And you can even add your personal description here. And then click on Save Changes. If I'd like to share this dashboard with anyone, I can click on the Share icon over here. And it can allow me to share it with any users or user groups at Trapaigo. So I'd like to share it with Matthew Sachs. And here on the pencil icon, I have given him the rights to edit and view. If I don't want to give him editing rights, I can only click on the view only and then close. If I'd like to edit this dashboard and add any analytics, I would click on the edit icon. And again, I can search for different items to add to my dashboard. And then click on Save. I also have the option of making my dashboard a favorite on my profile. To do that, I click on the star icon next to my dashboard title. As you can see on the top, I have 3 favorites. I have a project dashboard, a completeness report dashboard, and my own personal dashboard. I have a list of a different variety of dashboards, and I can open that list by clicking on Show More. If I'd like to access and see any other dashboard, I just click on the name, and it will take me there. So as you can see, I can view any of the dashboards here. I can even search for a specific dashboard by clicking on the Search for a Dashboard space. So I'd like to search for all Mozambique dashboards that have been shared with me. And as you can see, I have 3 of them. I have access to 3 of them. I can even view these dashboards in different formats. So this first dashboard on HIV testing and counseling, this first analytic, on HIV testing and counseling is in a map format. I'd like to see this in a chart format. So I'm going to click on the chart icon over here. And as you can see, it automatically generates into a chart. Now I'd like to see it in a pivot table format. And as you can see, the data is now in a pivot table. If I'd like to see this map in its original format where it was created, I can click on the View in Maps arrow over here. There's also a feature that we have where you can share interpretations with your colleagues. Here in the speech bubble, you can add different interpretations at the bottom of each of your analytics. So I'm going to write test interpretation and post it. So anyone who has access to the dashboard can view the interpretation. I can like the interpretation. I can reply to the interpretation. And I can even delete the interpretation that I had added. This is a great way to have conversations about data on the actual dashboard.